Me again, back with another video. Got a quick question to all you YouTube wrestling community. I thought about this, I just thought about it and thought, do you guys think WWE will revive WCW like they did with ECW? I mean, if they do that, they need to bring back the original WCW concepts. I think better classic superstars, classic matches, classic everything that would the WCW be like a triple cage match from Slamboree 2000, which had Jeff Jarrett versus DDP. That match was good. It's an original WCW concept. So I was asking guys that and give me say like your ideas down below, comment, and because I want to know these kind of things. Like, because I think since they released the Rise and Fall of WCW DVD, I think if that sells well and there's been a lot of demand, fans demand, I think WWE might bring it back, but it has to be a lot better. Like, it can't be like WCW like WCW, its dying days are compared exactly the same with the ECW now. I think they should end that ECW. It's not Extreme Championship Wrestling. It's extremely crappy wrestling. There's nothing good. There's only two good superstars. It's Tommy Dreamer and Christian. Everyone else is stupid. The only good times of that new ECW is from probably the first 6 months, meaning from the first night of it in June 2006 to around December 2006. After that, it's crap. Nothing good besides the Bobby Lashley action and stuff. But that's what I'm thinking. They should bring back WCW because I really miss it, because I remember watching it a long time ago with my grandpa, but I don't remember much of it though. So that's kind of a review of the new ECW and the WCW revival. Comment, rate, subscribe, of course. And guys, I need to go because I got stuff to do. Peace, guys. I'm out.